This is homegrown. Today, we are going to be making child-friendly energy balls. We are going to use raisins, we're going to use cocoa powder, we're going to use coconut, peanut butter, flaxseed, which is ground, and honey. And we also have a mixture of pecans that are over here to add with that protein for our children. First, we need 50 grams of pecans, crushed up, minced up, and usually you would use your food processor if you have one. If you do not have one on hand, you can also use a chopper. Children would love to do this activity using the chopper, but as an adult, just make sure you're standing right there with them for safety reasons. And then we will also have raisins, the cocoa powder, the honey, the ground flaxseed, and also that is no sugar peanut butter that we're using today because we are using the honey as our sweetener. So we're going to take all of those ingredients and mix them together. Once we finish with the prep for our energy balls and we have rolled them, we are going to then take them and put them into the final ingredient, which is coconut, and we'll roll them around. We have waited 20 minutes. We have taken our energy balls out of the refrigerator, and now it's time for us to try them, and they are very solid. So again, these are a nice quick snack. Take one, put it in your child's lunchbox, and just tell them to eat it right when they're getting ready to leave the cafeteria, just to give them that nice boost of energy to get them through the rest of their day.